In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail background theme. Personalizing your Gmail background is a great way to make your emailing experience a bit more enjoyable and tailored to your taste. So, let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step to customize your Gmail interface. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and head to Google's website. Once there, log into your Gmail account using your credentials if you're not already logged in. Once you've accessed your inbox, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, often referred to as the Settings icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll notice an option labeled See All Settings. Click on that option to enter the main settings page. Now, in the Settings menu, find the Themes tab, which should be among the options displayed at the top. It's usually near the end, so keep an eye out. Click on Themes to access a variety of background options. After clicking Themes, a new window will appear displaying a selection of themes curated by Google. Here you can browse through categories and select the one that best suits your mood or style preference. If you click on a theme, it will show a preview of what your inbox will look like. Once you've decided on a theme, click Save in the bottom right corner of the theme window to apply it to your inbox. But the personalization doesn't stop there. If you're feeling creative and want to use your own image as a background, Google allows you to do that too. Look for the option that says My Photos or something similar within the Themes window. From here, you can upload an image from your computer or select one from your Google account's photos. After choosing your image, click Select and make sure to hit Save to finalize the changes. And just like that, you've personalized your Gmail background. Now, every time you open your inbox, you'll be greeted by a backdrop of your choosing. If you ever want to change it again or revert back to the default, just follow these steps. Keep in mind that customizing your Gmail background doesn't affect the functionality of your inbox, but can certainly make your experience more visually pleasing and unique to you. I hope you found this guide helpful. Changing your Gmail background is a simple yet effective way to make your daily emailing tasks a little more personal and enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.